boy made it longer than I expected it to. Usually they have them destroyed in about, I don't know, 20 minutes. This one made it almost 3 days. I'm not sure if this fish is getting old or what exactly is slowing down on the destruction. That's 9. It's getting up there for a basset hound. Oh, they found a kitty. Did you get that kitty, Roscoe? Huh? Yeah, just keep cleaning up the yard and picking up. That's watch out for landmines. Half the fun of being the homeowner, right? What'd you find? What'd you find? Come here. Come here. Come here. Go get him. You go get him. Come here. Best guard dogs on the planet, just ask them. They have protected us from bunnies, a couple stray cats, and 1 raccoon. I'll give them credit for the raccoon. They scared that one off, but usually just bunnies and cats. We got probably 100 feral bunnies in the neighborhood right now. I cannot wait to get out of here, get out into the country. Too many people. If anybody wants to help out and donate a steel 462R or even a 311, I don't care at this point. I got some tree work to do. I got half my maple is dead branches. I'm hoping I can just thin it out and get it growing and healthy and whatnot. I'm really worried about that one right there falling on the house. We get some pretty decent winds up here. I mean, we're expecting 40-mile-an-hour winds today at some point, maybe. So, got the shovel. Like I said, just trying to clean up the garbage and the litter and whatnot. Anything that can go in this green bin. Oh, I saw a jug. There. That would be my boy, Gold Peak Sweet Tea. I know it's crap. I'm not supposed to let him be drinking it, but he loves it. And that's his little treat. I don't drink a lot of soda and other stuff. And finally getting my wife on board that juice has just as much sugar as soda, so we're trying to cut back on that too. But is there anything better than orange juice in the morning besides coffee? Especially sitting down to breakfast with the family. I got my coffee. They get their orange juice. Everybody's kind of happy. But I just got a phone call. Going to the in-laws for dinner. Which, the in-laws isn't the issue. Even though we have cats, me and my wife are both very allergic to cats. And my mother-in-law has a Bengal. Anyone that knows about allergies knows those are the worst. I mean, hands down, the worst for allergies. It doesn't matter what kind of allergy pills I take, what kind of allergy pills she takes. It kicks our ass. I don't know what else to say. It's brutal. I mean, to the point where doctors have recommended that we go get allergy shots, the serum, whatever crap, because they're so bad. And living in the Northwest, we've got 4 seasons, 5 seasons, pollen, road construction, almost winter, and too damn cold to do anything. And frankly, almost winter and too damn cold to do anything are the best because that's when our allergies are the easiest on us. And just no pollen, not a lot of dust, Yeah, it gets windy, but like I said, there's not a lot of dust, so that's when it's the best for us. The best for me, because that's when I make all the overtime as a snowplow driver. Coming back to that, I cannot wait for winter. I love the snow. I mean, don't get me wrong, almost winter is great because you can feel the change. It gives you something to look forward to. Kind of wipes you out of that seasonal depression kind of feeling you got, and all that fun stuff. I mean, it's nice to have a change. Like, it's nice to have something to look forward to. I'm not gonna say that's the cure for depression, but it makes it a lot easier for me and what I'm going through. I mean, it's the same thing every day. You wake up, go to work, shower, go to bed. Wake up, go to work, shower, go to bed. And it's just nice to have some change in the routine. Yeah.